Welcome to Everyday VBA, your online solution for becoming an Excel VBA expert. Hi, this is Chris Terrell. In this video, we're going to be looking at macro settings. And to go to your macro settings, you just go to File, and then you're going to go to Options. Now, this is also the same in 2013 as well. You've got your Excel options here from General, Proofing, Save, Language, Advanced, etc. The ones that we're looking at today is the Trust Center. So if you click on the Trust Center, it gives you some privacy settings here. The one that we are digging into is the Trust Center, and this is where you're able to change some of your security trust settings. So you've got trusted publishers, trusted locations, add-ins, etc. And the ones we're looking at today is macro settings. Now, most likely, I don't remember what the exact default is, but click on macro settings, and you've got 4 options here. You can disable all macros with notification. Don't recommend that. You can disable macros with notification. And then you can disable macros except digitally signed, which basically means that they have to have a digital signature from Microsoft. Or you can enable everything. Don't recommend that, and neither do they. That is your security settings. I recommend that you go there, click on disable all macros with notification, and then if you click OK, it's going to set those settings. Now I'm going to show you what happens when you open a workbook with macros. So I've closed those windows, and now I'm going to open up a macro-enabled workbook, and it gives you this warning. Now this warning will show up in a window like this, or it can also show up in your formula bar right above here where it says Enable. And if you ever get to a place where you can't use macros, etc., it's probably because they're not enabled. So I'm going to go ahead and click Enable. And walk through that. And that's basically how you set your security settings so that you can use macros. Again, it's Options, Trust Center, Trust Settings, and set these. Now, if for some reason you're set to disable all macros and you have a macro-enabled workbook, you may have to click OK and close completely out of that workbook and open it back up. Close Excel all the way down and open it back up for it to work. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.